everybody, and welcome back to another video. This is technically the first one that we're filming for 2020 together. And what better way to start off 2020 than to test some slime sand dough products, because, you know, better be on the trend, even though the trend's kind of died out a little bit, but we just wanted to have some fun. So let's get right into the video. So in this video there isn't really any duplicates of things except for the first two, which is 1 and 2 of 10, and that is our Play-Doh packs, which is yellow and blue. And I actually picked this back up at a video that didn't get released of Shop Pro, but we're gonna play around with some Play-Doh, and yeah. So while B went to go get some scissors to open these up, what we're gonna do is we're each gonna make something from our color, and then we'll show you, and you guys can be the best judges down in the comments of whose is better, just so that I don't have to put a time lapse in there of us playing around with Play-Doh for 20 minutes. Okay, so we made our creations. Here's mine. It is sunflower, not a sunflower, it's the sun with a smiley face. And Grace?
I have no clue on the inside, just putting stuff together. Trying to make that.
We will post pictures of these on Instagram, and you can vote there whose is better, Team Sun or Team Blob. So mine. We can't compare yet which is better, Play-Doh versus putty versus slime versus sand or whatever. So we're gonna get into our next product.
So the next one we're doing is this air cold clay, and it's like air dried clay. If you don't know what that is, I don't know either. Maybe you can explain it to me in the comment section down below. But it looks really cool.
Is this like a thing where you make them and then they dry and then they'll be stiff?
Yeah, I don't even know how to open this thing.
Yeah, so we're just gonna play with this and let us know what you think of this.
Ooh.
So here's what it looks like. It is what I'm trying to find the camera here. It's right in front of me. It's little beads that's wet. This camera would focus. You know what this looks like if you've seen these before. It's like slime with beads, and I guess if you leave these out long enough, it will harden. I think we're just gonna play around with these and make creations with them, and then leave them out to dry. A lot of this stuff is, if we make creations, they'll end up on Instagram, and you can vote down below which ones you think are better. So we made our. Grace made a creation this time with the Play-Doh and the styrofoam stuff. I did the same thing just because I want to see what happens. So I'm gonna like leave all of these out to see it and let them dry out, to see what they look like dried out, like the Play-Doh and this and anything else, just to see what it looks like. So mine are basically all the same creation of a star or a sun or whatever you want to call them. And thing. Grace.
What?
What did you do? That has some hair on it. Right there. Well, what do you think of her pot? Her pin pot? That has a cover. So, Play-Doh versus this. If I was trying to give a kid something to play with, I would definitely give them Play-Doh instead of this, because there's little beads in here, and if they play with this, they might accidentally swallow. I mean, they might accidentally swallow the Play-Doh too, but
Play-Doh's salty. They can be consumed.
But this says hazard, choking hazard on it, so yeah. Okay, so we had Play-Doh, which is modeling like dough. Then we have styrofoam air dry clay bead thingies, and now we have gravity sand, or as a people know is as moon sand. It's the Fun Forest molding sand. So, does anybody know? Let me know down below. Do these dry or anything? I want to know. But we're gonna open these and we're just gonna play around with this. I'm guessing it feels just like sand, right? So here's the sand. We can't exactly pick it up. It feels just like sand. You know those videos where like they get really hard, and then they like cut them for satisfaction and everything. That's kind of what this is like. So this is like really different from the Play-Doh and the bead stuff. So
It's like oobleck. So like it's like this, so like it turns solid, and then like after a little bit.
No, this is not how it works. Let's play around with it. So the sand was great. Grace is gonna keep that. She did a little satisfying Snapchat thing. Now we got two different kinds of putty. The first one, Grace is gonna introduce. Grace
Is the putty and it's scented and it smells like bubblegum.
Now, is there a difference
I am so
between
stupid
slime
at this.
and putty?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
It's more like putty is more like a harder, and then like slime is more like stretchy. But it says easy to stretch.
Okay, can I see it?
When
So
you're looking for something,
It
don't
does
look in my
smell like
direction.
gum. Grace is trying to do the bubble
Like,
thing.
like I don't even know what you're talking about.
What do you think, Grace?
Pick it up.
Ooh, I saw a bowl with that.
Care of it.
That's nice.
That was kind of weird.
Do it again, Grace. So the other putty that we have is Goofy putty, which comes in a little egg like this. And this one is glow in the dark green, and it bounces and it stretches and it does. It pulls up newspaper print, but it says on the bottom, "Do not eat." So, and we got this kind. They usually come in a red egg for ones that you know, and then there's floor, but we didn't get floor because we didn't want some noise putty. We just wanted some regular putty just to show the difference here. Ooh, this is a clear one.
Or green.
Ooh,
Oh.
this is like a hard putty.
Yeah, it's supposed to be hard.
Is it?
So the
Sorry.
next one that we're doing is this Now Cure for Love slime, which comes with like sparkles.
Because they got it in the Valentine's section because Valentine's Day is coming up. Keep it closed. People don't accidentally open it and let the hearts go everywhere. So I would probably do it over the table, Grace. And we're in the slime section, which is the difference between the putty and the slime. So I got slime too. This one's different. Oh, that looks pretty. And then you put the hearts in there. Is that what you do?
Yeah, because look at this.
I like the container. Oh, yes. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Can you put the hearts in there? Take this. Ooh. getting any of it. Oh, I'm not. Oops.
No, don't go outside. No, not this side either. Get in there. Get in there. All in there.
Is that what love looks like in physical form? Because it's beautiful. How does it feel, Grace? Okay, while she's playing around with her love slime, that's making a mess. Like, the hearts are getting everywhere. I have Make It Blocks sludge slime that has like a Lego guy in the middle of the slime. And pretty sure this is black slime, so should be pretty. Includes one zombie. Interesting.
Oh yeah, also got the hearts. It's more hands.
Some of the black got stuck in there. But, there's more slime inside the package. Probably to get the pieces out.
When you walk in the field, do you run? Come to your shoulders, ready?
No, I have it on with the legs. I'm gonna down.
You're supposed to get it up there, that bird.
Do you have... I don't think I want to take the pieces out. Yeah,
Can't have the hearts.
No!
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get them up. They're all over my hand.
Here's the slime. It looks like snot. That's black. And then there's pieces. There's like Lego pieces in here. And you could take the pieces out and connect them. But I can't really feel all the pieces. But it's like supposed to connect a little zombie in here. Oh, it feels so weird. It feels so wet. Notice that means I haven't played with this slime in a long while, so the slime feels so better than putty.
Oh.
We're cutting it open our like I have a mesh squish ball. Looks like this, and then Grace has a splat ball. And here's my zombie that I got out of the sludge. Yeah. Not even focusing on him. Thank you very much. But he's pretty slimy and it was really hard. So Grace is gonna go ahead and show you her splat ball. So Grace has the poop splat ball. It's probably just got water in it, but I want to see what it looks like when I splat it first. Yeah, it probably just has water in it. For all I know, but we're gonna see anyways here. So, here. Sorry if it's crooked. But sorry. Ooh. Yeah, it was just water. So now she's got this empty shell of like stuff, so now you can put stuff inside the poop. You can probably make some poop slime. Oof. His face. So here's the splat ball without the netting, and it feels really doughy. I'm sorry if I'm not in camera at all. It's just that I think there looks like there's like, ooh, there's glitter in here, so this might be slime, but we're gonna open it up and see what's inside this ball. I did not cut it deep enough.
breaks apart.
That looks like jelly stuff. See, here's the shell that had glitter on the inside.
It's like that type of sign.
And then it's like putty.
It's like that sign that just breaks apart.
Like those signs.
Yeah.
Right there. So we decided that we did not film an outro for this video, and this happened like maybe or 2 weeks ago that we filmed this video. Once again, being very lazy. Make sure that you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we're not being lazy. Also, make sure you go follow us on Instagram at YouPrettyLittleThing and Bacon the Cat on Instagram. I'm trying to think what they were. I just threw them away. The suns with the airplay clay and the Play-Doh, they both did dry out, and they both were very hard, but I'm starting to think maybe the Play-Doh was starting to mold or something, so I had to throw those away really quickly. They might be on Instagram. I don't know. I think I might have accidentally deleted the pictures, but whatever. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!